Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you the Ninja BC151NV Blast Portable Blender with pros and cons. If you are looking for accurate and reliable information, watch the full video. So, let's start our review today. Check out the product link in the description box. The Ninja BC151NV Blast Portable Blender is a compact, cordless personal blender designed for convenience, portability, and effective blending performance. Designed for those who want to make fresh shakes and smoothies without being tied to a kitchen outlet, this model combines portability with practical functionality. The denim blue finish adds a clean, modern aesthetic, making it suitable for use at home and on the go. The Ninja BC151NV Blast Portable Blender is BPA-free, its lid and sip spout are leak-proof, it is rechargeable via USB-C, and its parts are dishwasher-safe. Key features. One of the main advantages of the Ninja Blast is its cordless functionality. Unlike traditional countertop blenders, this unit runs on a rechargeable battery system. It uses a USB-C charging port, which ensures fast and universal charging compatibility. Once fully charged, it provides enough power for multiple blendings, making it ideal for the office, gym, travel, or outdoor activities. The USB-C port allows users to recharge it using a power bank, laptop, or a common USB-C adapter. This blender features an 18-ounce, 532 milliliters blending jar, which is an optimal capacity for a single serving. This size is enough for protein shakes, fruit smoothies, meal replacement drinks, or ice drinks, and it is not too large in size. The jar is made of BPA-free material, which ensures food safety and eliminates concerns about harmful chemical emissions. Its transparent design allows users to monitor the consistency of the blending in real time. In terms of performance, the Ninja BC151NV features a durable stainless steel blade assembly, which is specifically designed to blend common smoothie ingredients like frozen fruit, ice cubes, protein powder, vegetables, and soft fruits. The blade system is designed in such a way that it creates a vortex as it moves, which pulls the ingredients downward and blends them evenly. While it is not designed as a heavy-duty alternative to high-powered countertop blenders, it works efficiently when it comes to making personal drinks. Another notable feature is the leak-proof lid with integrated sip spout. After blending, there is no need to pour the ingredients inside into any other container. Users can easily attach the lid and drink directly from the container. Its leak-proof design reduces spillage during transportation, making it very suitable for commuting, gym bags, or backpacks. Its sip spout is ergonomically designed for comfortable drinking. The Ninja Blast has an emphasis on ease of maintenance. Its container and lid are dishwasher safe, making it easy to clean after use. The blades and motor base should be used according to the manufacturer's instructions, but its removable parts allow for quick washing if necessary. Its lightweight construction and small size further enhance portability. The device easily fits into a tote bag or a regular backpack. Its cordless design eliminates the need for a power cord during use, which significantly increases its usability compared to traditional plug-in blenders. Overall, the Ninja BC151NV Blast Portable Blender is the best choice for those who want convenience, portability, and reliable single-serve blending performance. It is especially useful for students, office workers, fitness enthusiasts, and travelers who need a small-sized solution for making fresh drinks anywhere. While it doesn't aim to be a replacement for a full-sized countertop blender for heavy kitchen tasks, it is highly adept at providing effective and easily portable blending for everyday smoothies and shakes. That was today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to comment and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and helpful buying guides.